Hi everyone, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms. So second week of May 2020. I can tell you it's chilly out here. Rain all week, about 50 degrees. But let me take you on a quick tour of the farm real quick. Plot number one starting to come in good. Mainly have this planted out in carrots this year. Germination's not the best, but they're growing pretty well. The one row over here is about a week ahead, maybe two. That's why it's a little taller. We got some radishes that'll be harvested out this week. Plot 2 is under the cat tunnel, of course. Still haven't got anything planted in my boxes yet, or the outside tomatoes up. Gotta do some clearing out over there. In here, we're pretty much harvested out. Getting a little grassy in here, but that's fine because everything's gonna be covered with landscape fabric for the next turn in here. Got our lettuce over here, getting ready to get a third cut on it. Should be ready in about another week or so. This was just harvested last week, so here next week we should probably get another cut off it as well. Here's a new addition I've been working on. Got a walk-in cooler. Got it standing up. Gotta get the cooler in it. Run some lights and power. We'll have that up and running. Now the prop house, it's basically all but empty now. Got a son's catgrass course. We got some cucumbers that need to go in. My tomatoes, the last planting of those that really need to go in because they're getting really tall. They're about 2.5 foot tall already. Got more cucumbers that need to go in. Celery really needs to go in. It's starting to turn yellow, it's running out of gas. Pepper, same thing, and basil needs to go out. And down here, these gigantic heads of lettuce still. I mean, look at it. That thing's like, I don't even know how big. Like a beach ball almost. That's been growing since about last October. Have not done a thing to them. They've just been sitting in here growing. Plot 3's got my 2 beds of arugula here. See, it's starting to turn a little red. It's because it's gotten a little chilly outside. It's not supposed to be this cold this time of year. But either way, I'll be able to pull a harvest off it here next week. Then 2 rows of spinach, which are doing nicely, real nicely. Getting good big leaves. Should be able to pull the quick cut in here, get a good cut this week. And we got our brassica mix for the spring mix over here on the far end. It was cut last week and hopefully it'll be cut again next week. Oh yeah, I forgot about my strawberries. They're coming in real nice this year. Got good amounts of fruit forming in there. Need to expand this patch out for next year. This is going to be the addition for plot number 4. Basically going to do what I have over here to fill up this gap because I'm tired of mowing it. Now plot 4, got a good cut of leaf lettuce ready for this week. It's doing real strong. Real nice looking. Head lettuce over there, it got beat up by the hail and has never really fully recovered from it. We got 2 cropped out rows here that are going to get planted out this week. Down here at the end, 2 weeks from now is lettuce cut. Same thing with the heads down here. They got a little beat up from the hailstorm we had earlier this year. Hoping to get something out of it. Trying to get the spinach come back. It's been cold, it just hasn't been uptaking nutrients right, so it's getting a little yellow. I'll probably have to hand pick that. And we got heads. Those will be, look at their size, 2 weeks most likely. Now plot 5, living under the high tunnel this year and forever. Got cucumbers interplanted in with this leaf lettuce. This is the second cut coming back. These heads are going to get cropped out so I can finish planting another row of cucumbers in here. Got a bunch of tomatoes in. These were planted after this row was cut. Same thing over here about a week later. These are all my slicers. And this row is going to get cleared out too. That way I can get the rest of my tomato plants in. These will be all my large ones and heirlooms. And we got our celery going good. It's starting to kick really nicely. About 3 weeks away from that. And we got a whole bunch planted afterwards. And down here on the end is my kale. It was overwintered, sent to flower. That way I can harvest some seeds off it. Because kale seeds are rather expensive, believe it or not. I just hope I'm doing it right and I don't need a second one. But we'll see. It's not taking up too much room at this point. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. The reason why the prop house is looking so empty is because we moved all of our starts onto this racking system in the high tunnel I built on the side of it. There's 0 week, 1 week, over here for 2 weeks, and 3 weeks. Needs to go out in the field this week. There's the leaf lettuce. Perfect. Finally got good soil to start with, and it makes all the difference with our starts. Well, I hope you all like what you saw here on the farm today. If you did, don't forget to come down to the downtown Topeka's Farmers Market and see us, or just check out my other online videos. Keep you informed of what's going on the farm and what I'm doing. Well, thank y'all. Have a good day.